Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be, this morning, 8 a.m. Never done a stream this early before. I just felt productive, so I'm like, why not? Let's do it. Probably going to get no viewers as well because everyone's sleeping. It is what it is. Going to be continuing on with the snake game. This is like part 3. First 2 parts I did like nothing really. 30 lines of code, I guess, in about 6 hours, but I digress. Okay. Let's bring let's see, are we live? Here we are. How's this going? How's
Test.
this going? How's
Test.
this going? Okay, good. Okay, bring my trusty NVIM. It says here that there's some people that have followed this channel in my Discord server in their own Discord server. I don't know who's done that or why, but that's pretty cool, I guess. So now when I press this button, it sends out to their servers, which is nice. Craft Zen, hello, how you doing, Craft Zen? How are you? I'm surprised you're awake. Alright. So, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Oh, what was that? We got some updates. It seems like every single time I launch NeoVim, I always have at least one update. Don't know why. This is what it is, but we'll update it. You just woke up. I woke up about 2 hours ago, and I wanted to stream an hour ago, but I had trouble setting up this OBS plugin. I wanted to set up a browser plugin so I can have chat displayed on the screen. But Arch is really stupid and it doesn't support it natively, like by default, because it uses a Chromium. The browser uses a Chromium element, and I tried installing it. Obviously, I have a skill issue, it didn't work. But I'll get it one day. I'll get it. Okay. I may as well call this file .cpp because it's actual code. It's not just headers, right? It's not just headers. Okay. So where were we at last time? Alright, we got this. So the apple is going randomly everywhere. Not good. We only have one apple at a time. So I think we should have a static variable called is there apple. So got a member variable. Bool is apple on screen. False. Okay. And I gotta add it up here as well. Is apple on screen false. Okay. So then when I do place apple, wait, no. If is apple on screen is true, then no. If it's not true, then we'll place the apple. Else, and then check make is apple on screen equal to false. So then we, at this point, we should only have one apple on the screen somewhere. So let's compile this. G++, boom. Apparently I was wrong. Yeah. Who am I to think it was that easy to do that? In a way, nothing's easy when it comes to Code Gabe. If is apple on screen? Yeah. If is apple on screen is false, which is true, then we'll place apple. And then we'll make it to... Oh, my bad. I meant to do true. So now we will only do it once. Okay. I think I know what's going on. It's getting drawn, but then after the first frame, it just gets deleted because we're overwriting it. So, we need to have an apple pause X and Y and stuff like that. Oh, here it is. Apple Y pause, apple X pause. Random. I'll fix the player movement after this. Hello, Linux. You just woke up. So you and Craft Ramzen both woke up at the same time. How are you, Linux? It's been a long time since you were this early to a stream. It's been about a month. Yes, indeed. You're good. I'm glad. I'm glad that you're good. How's your school going? Place up. You're still on my break and you do not want to go to school on Monday. Well, let me tell you something to make you a bit jealous. I don't have school on Monday. I have school on Tuesday. Just because I don't have any classes on Monday, so I get an extra day of break. I learned something crazy a few days ago when I went to Romania. All of the Romanians and in English people, right? We all have our break now. We have 1 week break, but in Italy, they don't have a break right now. They're just they're still in school. They're still going to school every single day. So be grateful that you at least had a break, right? Because the Italians, they do not have breaks from school yet. Poor them, yeah. So I'm not sure how to implement the logic for drawing the apple. It draws the apple once for the first frame, and after that, should I make another function called redraw? No, that's crazy. Apple Y pause. Can I access Y pause here? Apple Y pause. Oh, I can. This is really weird. Because you can't access local variables in Python. And we can just do it in this language. It's so weird. So unusual. For me, at least. So, yeah. Replace apple. Else. Well, there's always going to be an apple on screen. So, okay, I think I need to rewrite this entire logic. Because there's always going to be an apple on screen. Oh, I know. Every time I eat the apple, I'll just draw a new apple and hide the previous one. But how would I know where the apple is in order to hide it? Or which apple to hide? Because I don't have a reference to it. I just draw a rectangle. Now that doesn't seem the best way. Does draw rectangle return anything? Void. It returns void. Crazy. Okay. It would be quite helpful if it did return something. I'm gonna go back to my flowchart. So, initialize game variables, yeah. Check game state. I guess I should check for that, why not? So do I have a game over variable? No. Should make one. Oh, I do, here. So if game over is true, then what is it? Yeah, game over. Okay. Update snake movement. So if game over is true, then move head in current direction. Oh, this flowchart's cooked. That's not correct. Move head in current. This is so not right. Who made such a flowchart? Such an awful flowchart. It was AI. AI made it. I'm getting a new flowchart. This one sucks. Making snake game flowchart. Actually, the text version of the flowchart's good. I'll just use this. Yeah. I'll init the game again. So if play again, Python syntax, my bad. Play again is equal to y. I'll make it lowercase. And what's the problem with you? Oh, I forgot the insertion operator. I think it's called that. I'm trying to act big with all these words. Hope it's right. If play again equals y, then init game. And that's it. I'll do the paused function later. That's a bit complicated. So I've got to pause everything. Stop everything from moving. Didn't get much sleep, man. What's the error? Oh, this. What's the error? It's giving me an error, but it's not giving me any information about it. What have I messed up? Crosses initialization of std string play again. Jump to case label. Okay, maybe it's because I didn't put break statements, which I always forget to do. 1, 2, wait. Yeah, I forgot to do it. Alright. Break. Because this language likes to do stuff like that. Oh, that didn't fix it. What? Alright. That's not what I did. GG, PG. It's declared inside the case block without braces. What? Bruh. Oh. My bad. Somehow forgot to put braces. How interesting. How peculiar. Right, goodbye. I've got an idea, right. Okay, I need to get that is drawn variable again. Is apple drawn? Yes. Ball. Right. And then that would be false. Is apple drawn equals false. And then here, do if is apple drawn is false, then do this and then set it to true. Yeah, alright. Yeah, okay. So if it's not drawn, then we'll create new X and Y positions for the apple. And then set the boolean to true. And then we'll draw it. But if it's drawn already, then we'll just use the previous values. So then I can just infinitely draw apple. Place apple. I should call it draw apple to be more consistent. Let's see. It was not declared. Is that so? Is that so? Fair enough. Fair enough. Int apple y pause, int apple x pause, int apple y pause, int apple x pause. Alright then. Also welcome new viewers, welcome all of my 2 viewers. How you all doing? And I'll put this in the init function as well, innit? Apple x pause, yeah. I don't think I can use initialization braces, but we'll see if it gives me an error. No? Oh, I did get an error. Where's the error? Apple y pause. Oh, I put pox again. I keep on putting pox instead of pause. Okay, we should be good. Yeah, we are. All right. So let's. Oh yes, it compiled. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh yes, it worked. All right. So it draws the apple once and it stays on the screen. I'm happy with that. I don't know why I recompiled it. Why is it in the top left? Alright, got another problem. It's staying in the top left. I mean, at least we have an apple now. You're currently learning meta programming in C++. What does that mean? Sounds big. Metaprogramming is a computer programming technique in which computer programs have the ability to treat other programs as their data. It means that a program can be designed to read, generate, analyze, or transform other programs, and even modify itself while running. So how are you going to modify your own source code while you're executing? It's used with templates. Cool, very cool. You have no idea yet. You'll have an idea soon enough. Keep working. It worked. Alright. I just wanted to test out if my adding body part function worked, and it did. That's actually nice. That's pretty cool. Okay. Random Y pause. Oh, I know why. I know what's going on. It's because I'm redeclaring it. Now it should be in random positions. It is. Okay, that was a simple fix. You just have to know what to fix. Fuck, it's still broken. Oh my. Well, I just put it from top left to bottom left. The apple. It's still broken, but it's less broken because it moved. So it's progress. Let's keep going. I have a feeling it's because of these initialization braces. And I don't need a body part currently anymore. I'll put Y pause, I'll put X pause. Oh, I know what's going on. It's because my random function isn't random. It gives the same value every time. Okay. So what I'm thinking is, if I compile it every time, it'll give me a different value. No. Okay. The random function is just cooked. What's going on here? I got a message. Oh. My friend messaged me, Finley. Yes, Finley. 100%, man. I want to make a poll. I'm not sure what to add. Oh, I need to do random, right? I'll just go back to this website and just do it properly. The random thing. Is it here? Global random. That's a lot of shit. We're not doing that. Yeah, we're just gonna sit with the system clock. Mm. Hello, Clyde. And if so, which distro? What are you talking about? What does that question relate to? I'm not sure, Clyde. Oh, you mean like the... I don't know. Earlier, I asked if you were on Linux, so I was wondering which version you were on. Did you? I don't remember you asking that this stream. You asked on a different stream, probably. Well, I'm on Hyperland. I'm not too certain about how Arch Linux works yet. I'm still new to it. All I know is that I'm on Hyperland. I don't know. Latest version of Arch Linux Hyperland. That's all I can say. That's all I know, really. Alright. I hope you're doing well in C++. I'm trying. I have this problem, right? I get distracted really easily. That's why it's a good thing that I'm doing this stream in the morning. So I've actually been more productive in this stream than I have in like other streams. Because there's not many people in the chat. Compared to if I stream in the evening, would have like 16 people at once talking. Now in the morning, there's only like 2 people, which is good. Get distracted, do 1 push-up. I would agree with you, but I did my push there yesterday. So what I would do instead is get distracted, do 1 pull-up. I could do that, but then I need to have a shower by the end of the stream because I get distracted so quickly. I'll do like 500 pull-ups by the end of this stream. It'll be crazy. If you want me to do it, I'll do it. Okay. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was doing random. Okay, back to this. So I need to get Chrono. Also, please, I know my file system is really cooked. I'm putting everything in a HPP file, but just allow me. It is what it is, man. Chrono. Oh my. What is all this? Static cast. STD MT19937. Result type. Fuck yeah now. Oh, there's more. STD chrono. Chrono steady clock. I don't know who's gonna remember all of this bullshit. Time since a. Oh, I think I messed it up. Time since epoch dot count. Oh, that's not supposed to be in the. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. So after result type, where is that? And then I put the parenthesis. Okay. Should be good, yeah. And then create the reusable X and Y coordinates, positions. And then, yeah, that should be it then. Now if I compile it. It works. It works! Yes! It goes in random positions. Oh, I'm so glad. How long did that take me? That took me like 20 minutes, I guess. Okay, now I wanna... That is working, right? I'm just gotta work on... the movement, because that's the actual fun bit. So... I need to draw one as well here, so place apple there. Okay. Interesting cursor, I like it. Is this Vim? You should use a code editor like Visual Studio. Yeah, it's NeoVim, and I have been using Visual Studio like my entire life. But I don't think. Can you get? I'm not even sure. Oh, you can. Oh no, Visual Studio Code. Right. So you can't even get Visual Studio on Arch Linux. You can't, yeah. You can't get Visual Studio. Visual Studio, it takes up a lot of your system resources. So. And last time I compiled with Visual Studio, it took like 5 something seconds to 10 seconds to build the actual file, just to print hello world. It's quite resource intensive. I like NeoVim. It's starting to grow on me. I've only been using it for a week or two, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, but it's good. Once you get used to the keybinds, I still don't know them yet, but they get easier and they get really good. Like I can just go to the top of the file like that. Wait, like that. I go to the bottom of the file like that. I can select everything like this. It's much faster to use the keybinds that you can set up here in NeoVim. There's just so much stuff. What just happened there? Oh, I pressed U, which undoes it. Also need to remove the previous apple somehow. Okay. Alright. What was I doing now? Oh, yeah. I got distracted. It's time to do a pull-up. I got distracted. I need to do the... whatever the hell Linux said. Ugh. Decent pull-up. Alright. So, movement. Snake wide pause plus 50. I wonder, do I initialize the game in the constructor? Open window main loop. I do not. Where's the... Oh no, I don't. Okay, that's fine. Snake Y pause plus 50. I wonder what's going on there. Oh, STD out it. Snake Y pause is... Okay. So Y pause is increasing, but it's not updating. It's not updating. So when I draw the snake, here, I draw the snake every frame. So when I draw the snake body dot size, right? That's the vector. Okay. So each body part is a pair of snake X pause and snake Y pause. I forgot, I did that ages ago. I should probably move my head out the way. So you can see the code properly. Okay. So I gotta add to this vector. Snake body dot push back, yeah. So 100, 100. This is the width and the height. Now that I remember. X and Y. Okay. So this is for drawing. I'll make a comment. This for loop is for drawing the current snake. Now if I want to add another body, okay. So the body parts, I just realized they don't actually use the global snake X pos and Y pos. They use their local snake X and Y pos, which is in the STD pair. So what I need to do is, oh, this is complicated. Since when does blood stream in the morning? I wanted to be productive instead of instead of doom scrolling. I'm so tired. I had a cold shower this morning, which was really nice. It was relaxing me. But I'm still tired. I had a cold shower and a coffee and an apple and lots of water, and I'm so tired. And I gotta go to my job soon. I gotta go. It can't be a long stream. I'll leave the house at like 11. A new mod? Nah. This is not a new mod. This is roaming. He's always been here. He just changed his name. Okay, what was I doing? I just got distracted again. I need another pull up. Well, this is your fault. I'm doing this pull up. Okay. I don't need that anymore. What was I doing? Draw snake. Oh yeah. I need to update the local positions. Okay. Okay. Should update. Oh damn, this is hard. Bull should update. Pause. False. Oh, what have I just done? Okay, right. So this, right? Where is it? Should update pause. Should update, yes, equals true. Right. Play movement. Call that. And then so get a play movement, then I draw the snake, right? If should update pause. This is such a bad way of coding it. If that's true, then I'll do snake body at position I dot first plus equals 100. Please work. No way it worked. No way. I don't believe that. If this works first time, I'm actually genius. Oh wait, I forgot to update the second one as well. case blue. I just got to copy and paste what I just did. Although that's redundant, I'll just copy this. How do I copy? D. Okay. Right. Oh, but it has to be... I don't know where to put this if statement to not make it redundant. Not make it run a billion times. Oh. Well, not there, you melon. I put it at 100. Why are you 99? Bă, du-te în pula mea. Alright. I'll just do the same thing here. $99 again. Weird. Okay, let's do that. Now that updates their local positions. So, boom. What? Wait, what? Whoops. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? Are you doing fake tiling? Yes. Oh, what's going on here? First of all, I think Dixalius is a woman. I'm not sure. I'm guessing. And second of all, I don't want help right now. I want to do it by myself. C++ isn't as silly as I thought originally. The files are so nice to be able to read. Yeah. Whereas having remaining side effects. Well, we don't talk about that. But yeah, I've completely messed this up. So let's go back here. You need to install a window picker. Okay, anyways. So, I need to format this. There it is. Much better. Wake up. Fuck, what was I doing? Gabe, will you ever split up this code base? If I remember what I was doing, I would. If I would remember what I was doing, yeah. I completely forgot what I was doing. Let's check here. Ah, that, okay. The snake teleports. Okay, so that would be, I think I updated it twice actually. Right, so play movement and then draw snake. So where's play movement here? Right. So I'll delete this line. No, I shouldn't. Yeah, I should, yeah. So I'll delete this line. Okay, so oh no, this is so inefficient. I'm gonna have to make a variable for each of the axes, like up, down, left, right. Snake mocking stuff, I believe. Huh? What are you talking about? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will. I will do it. Oh yeah, snake. Yeah, moving stuff. Yeah. So what? Where are you going? Where are you going? Blood. Stay back on the screen, G. What the fuck? So I don't know why it's going diagonally, because I'm only updating one axis. Let's see. Oh, fucking dumbass. I forgot to do the Boolean flag. Anyways. Okay. It moves every frame. My most loyal Macedonian fan isn't there. Well, most of my loyal fans aren't here because it's too early. Viewers. Which OS do you use? Welcome Max.Beck. Max Mudbeck. I use Arch Linux Hyperland with NeoVim. It is moving very fast. Do you know what delta time is? I do know what delta time is, but I don't know if Raylib has delta time. Apparently it does. Get frame time. Okay. I'll just use that then. So here times get frame time. Yeah. Wait, what? Bro, I updated the wrong thing. Should update pause equals false. Yeah. And get frame time. You should have some time functions like get frame time. Yeah. I spent some time making my own delta time, and this bloodclot Raylib already has it pre-baked. Why would you make your own delta time, you melon? Also, why are you stealing my vocabulary? It's my vocabulary, not yours. If you want it, you need to pay a subscription. Okay, this should work now. It's working, kind of. It's working. I think I need to implement multi-threading somehow. Yeah, I gotta make that tiling. What am I doing? I gotta make that tiling thing. Bruv, what? Oh my. It should be dot second for the y coordinate anyway. Neovim doesn't even save my stuff anymore. You're just disobeying me completely. W, are you saved now? Because you did not listen to me last time. Okay, that's better. Now it's going down instead of up. It didn't save again, did it? It didn't. I bet it didn't. Watch it didn't save my code. Watch it. It didn't save. Why is it not saving? Where is bro's subscription? Also, you'd need to pay me then for stealing Arch, Hyperland, and Neovim from me. I didn't steal it from you. Bro thinks he owns Hyperland. It works, yay. I mean, this is all one class. These are all functions in one class. There's not... I'm not sure how I'm going to split up a class. You ignored the second swap file. How does Blood already have walls? I don't know. It just spawned in. If it just works. Like, it just happens. So... Oh yeah, I need to... Okay, I'm gonna make this an enum now. Enum... Update pause. I already have that. It's literally called direction. Oh no, this is gonna end up so bad. I'm thinking of doing like nested stuff. Nested ifs. Oh no, I'm gonna get so cooked. Everyone's gonna flame me. Whatever. Just update pause. Well, I don't really need that. Can I have switches inside of switches? Dragon nest coding. Dragon nest coding. You should copyright that. Trademark it. No one's heard of it before. Okay, so this goes up and then switch. What was it called? Direction. And I change the direction here. Right? So direction equals up. I'm gonna get so flamed. I'm gonna get so flamed. A switch and a for loop in a switch and an if in a switch and a for loop in a function. Now this is some beautiful programming. I'm literally the definition of a pragmatic programmer. Switch in an if in a switch in a for in a function. Let's do that, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. So case up. Okay, and then break. I remembered we need to break this time. Case, and then no. Listen. Will, this isn't even the worst of it. This is not the worst of it. I promise you. I have something in my head that I'm gonna code in a minute. It will shock everyone in this stream. Just you wait. Give me a minute. Finish this. Right? And I'm gonna shock you times 2. I love my code base. Left, and then we'll do boom. I don't need these comments. And then watch this. Watch this. It will work. Watch me lose all my subscribers from this. What happened? Case up. Bro, what happened here? Go on then. Oh shit, it doesn't work. Oh, it's because I didn't implement other functions, but it does work. It works, guys. I might need to quit my career after this code base. See, that's the whole point of this stream, Will, to make you feel better. Yes, I should be using a fixed grid, but I don't know how to set it up. Okay, I'm currently overwriting all of the text. It's not good. Do you guys know the Cherno? Oh, I've got a brilliant idea. I've got a brilliant idea. Code review.
Back to the first episode of another little series that I'm just starting here right now, which is going to be called the very end of this scope. Case-ish, you're almost always going to...
Right. I want to send this code into code review. Ugh. Gabe is using condoms to the grid. Dixalius. You should set the grid width and height first. Yeah, guys. What you're saying to me is all logical. I knew this all from the beginning. I just don't know how to implement it syntactically. Oh, Dexalius, Will had a question for you a few hours ago. Like half an hour ago, he had a question for you. Are you a woman or a man? That's what he asked. So if you don't mind, could you answer? Yeah. Then divide screen width and height by them to get the cell size. I did. Screen width by cell size. I did something like that. Alright then. If you want to be like that, Will. Let me just do something real quick. I'm just not sure how to implement the grids, but let me just check something. Let me just zoom into that one real quick. Ask Dixalius, he will help you with the road tiling. My work here is done. I'm a happy man now. Dixalius, what is your response to this? What is your response to this? I'm curious. It's supposed to be screen size divided by rows equals cell width. Screen size. Cell width equals screen size divided by rows. So I just do the opposite thing then. Pointing out someone misgendered me when I'm not here is worse than doing it. Dixalis just tickled you, Gabe. Please, can we not do this at night at 10 AM, please? It's 10 AM, it's too early. What's the problem here? I don't get what these warnings are meant to represent. Then you probably need to multiply the snake's position, which is probably an integer, with cell size every movement. So multiply snake position. The snake positions are in an STD pair. They're all stored in a vector. Snake body. So multiply. So for example, a snake position is 200, 200. If we multiply 200 by the cell size, which is 30, 200 times 30 is it's a bit bigger than my screen size. 6,000. I'm not sure. No, you should make an actual grid system. I wish. I want to, man. I really do. Honestly, I do. What was I doing? Right, the apple doesn't go in a grid. It's just like chilling somewhere. Yeah, I know she's good at explaining. Oh. This apple is pissing me off. Oh yeah, I was gonna work on the text. That's what I was gonna do. So this needs to be down here. So let me just take that. Put that there. There it is. That is much better. Why does your snakes... What the actual blood? This guy's actually stealing all my vocabulary. I'm not sure this is my thought. Well, let me tell you something. Throughout my entire life, I've been always constructing new... I've been always like using unique phrases, right? Like, what the actual blood? I've never heard anyone say... No one says that. Like, I'm the first person to say that, probably. And then, throughout my life, my friends at different stages, whenever I create new vocabulary, they copy me. So, what you're doing now is actually really common. And it proves to me that it's not just my friends that copy my vocabulary. It's literally anyone can do it. So, pretty cool, I guess. Yeah, you are copying me, G. You are. But it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Oh yeah, this snake movement really weird. Really weird. But I need to go to the toilet, so I'll be back in a minute. You usually have a vector 2 struct for position. A vector 2 struct? What, like a 2D vector? I'm gonna be back in a minute. Hello. The problem is there is vector the growing array and vector the mathematical concept. Yeah, we're talking about the array. Okay, where are we at now? Okay, I guess I'm gonna focus on the movement to make it move automatically, because that should be a pretty easy thing to do. I don't know why it's complaining here though. I put my thing on silent and I still hear notifications. Arch Linux, you silly Billy. TS Coding. Who's that? Never heard of this guy before. Recreational programming. Nice. Pretty cool, man. Bubble sort in Python. Is Haskell used in this generation? Like for new apps? I know it's obviously used for old applications, but for new apps, does anyone use Haskell? Okay, movement. Case default. I could have a case default, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure in what position to do it. Okay, it's not as simple as I thought, just because the way I made the system, it's confusing. I guess I could do a default case on the first switch. I think I'm gonna have to use delta time. Oh, for fuck's sake! Wait, I just realized what I did. I put it in the color. That should not be there. That should be here. Yeah. Yeah, I need time.delta time because it's moving too fast. I don't know. I said time.delta time because I'm used to working with C# for game development. Get frame time. Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright. That took way too long. No. That's not gonna work. Alright. Well, I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Because we've got stuff to do now. But thanks everyone for watching. Do more progress next time. Yeah. That will be it. Goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching. And see you next time.